I'm gonna put the video where I'm showing you how to really get down and adjust this properly. And it's this new upgrade where you just take the elastic drawstrings, pull the little button down, and then put this little circle right on top of the button, and you really have this snug, secure fit. It doesn't move around on you, and it's really, really nice. Hey girlies, welcome back to a hair transformation video. I'm so excited about this unit that I received from Nadula Hair. The star of the show is this V-part yaki straight chestnut brown ombre 24-inch wig, you guys. Look at the color job on this hair. Amazing. It's thick all the way through. They have all these great adjustments, all these great upgrades to this unit to make it sturdy, strong. It won't move around on you. It's a lifesaver and great quality at an affordable price. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'll give you guys all the deets about it, but look at the hair, y'all. The hair is crazy. I did let y'all know that I cut the top part of my hair, so that's just answering your questions right away, because I'm sure you're probably like, why is the top part of your hair so short? I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on because this was a must. So this unit is upgraded. It does have that wrap around the weft look with the hair, so you don't get clocked by any of like the harsh line of your weft, or even, you know, those clear flat pieces that V-part wigs usually have. This is their upgraded version from it, so you're just kind of getting a more realistic appearance without having to leave a lot of your hair out. I did go for a side part look. You guys, the combs on this unit, very sturdy, very strong, as well as the clips at the top. So you're ensuring that everything is laying flat. So you just want to make sure you're putting it very comfortable on you, okay? There's so many different things about this new look that allow you to have that adjustable, snug fit that every girly loves. And if you make it, if you adjust it as perfect as you would like it to be, it can give sew-in. It looks very flat, realistic. You can even give quick weave. So I love it. It's a game changer if you are a errand girly, if you are a person that switches up your hair a lot, or even if you're just trying to take care of your hair a little bit, but you just want to keep your hands out of your hair. I do find that these V-part wigs come in handy. So I'm going to put the video where I'm showing you how to really get down and adjust this properly. And it's this new upgrade where you just take the elastic drawstrings, pull the little button down, and then put this little circle right on top of the button, and you really have this snug, secure fit. It doesn't move around on you, and it's really, really nice. So I just went ahead and started preparing to press my natural hair out with y'all. I used my Baby Bliss flat iron. It's the mini one, and it works like a gem. I didn't really want to do too much molding to my natural hair when it came to like hairsprays or like edge booster. I really wanted it to blend really natural with the yaki hair. And this is some really bone straight silk pressed yaki hair, you guys. I felt like I really didn't even need to press it out, but for the sake of the video, I did want to see how high it can go up. It did take my flat iron to the highest setting, which is 450 degrees. So just know that you can press this out. You can give very much so silk press, natural blowout without having to do a lot of heat damage to your hair. and I am all for it. I'm always an advocate for these V-part wigs, especially if, like I said, you like to switch up your look, but you just don't want to commit to anything too crazy like a sew-in or even a quick weave. This is my go-to, especially during wintertime, because I find that my hair obviously is not going to revert back so easily because of the weather being a little bit more cold. This is what I was rocking all winter last year. I have so many different looks with this. Yaki hair looks great if you chop it into a bob. If you layer it, if you add some curls to the hair, it takes your hot tools very nice. I do prefer using ceramic rather than titanium. I feel like it doesn't have that harsh hair smell after putting all that heat on, but I do recommend you guys putting some type of heat protectant or even heat protectant serum, spray or serum on the hair. So as you can see, I went in with my ceramic flat iron to press it out because I wanted to make sure that it did not give corn chips. I feel like, you know, hair is going to smell like hair no matter what, but if you use the proper tools, once pressing it out, curling it, putting a whole bunch of heat on it, you will limit that down a little bit. And I just realized how ceramic does not make my hair smell crazy. I usually use ceramic flat irons on my natural hair versus my weaves. So I switched that up. I actually got this Conair flat iron on Amazon. It's not my favorite, but it definitely does the job. So the hair is gorgeous, 24 inches. I love the dye job on this hair. I have worn it for almost like a month so far. So I'm here for it 100%. I think it's a must have. The color is gorgeous, and if you're trying to tamper with color, I love a ombre look for the moment, okay? Because you still have your natural 1B at the top, but getting down to that warmer color at the bottom, and it's not too crazy, okay? So I really think they did a great job at customizing this new V-part look, and they have so many to choose from on their site, you guys. I'm really anxious about, so I didn't curl this unit today, but I ended up curling it a couple of weeks into having it, and it looked amazing. So I definitely think it's worth it. Right now they have a huge sale going on because of the season we're in. You can't beat the sales. I do have a great discount code or a great discount for you down below. So make sure you guys use my code below if you guys are interested in this look. But Nadula, y'all did it again. I just tried this 7x5 out from them, and it was gorgeous. I feel like they're only getting better at upgrading their units and making it look super realistic, super flat, and just realistic, like I said. Very natural. Of course, I use my Care stick just to hold my hair down. That is the most that I wanted to do, and I did spray a little bit of heat protectant serum, or spray actually, onto the top part of my hair just to make sure everything was laying down without having to use the harsh hairspray. So I will let you guys vibe out to the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think it was just straight to the point. I am so glad that I was able to share this look with you guys because the holidays are coming around. So if you are looking to get a new look for yourself, this just might be it. Let me know if you guys would rock this or not, if you love the look on me. I think it was gorgeous, but I will link all of Nadula's information down below. Don't forget to check out that discount code. Use it at checkout. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys always and forever, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, girlies.
Nadula.